Hi, this is Carolyn Gensler. I'm with Remax Professionals, and I'm so glad that you opted in to get the home seller checklist. We're going to take just a couple of minutes to go through this, and these are things that you can do for little or no money to get your home ready. The first thing that we want you to do is to clear all the clutter. If you've noticed, going into model homes, there's very little in there. The accessories are usually grouped in 1 to 3 to at the most 5 things, and there's not a lot of stuff out all over the place. All the photographs on the walls are placed strategically at eye level if you're standing up, and everything looks model home ready. The other, you want the client when they walk in to be able to picture themselves in your home. Don't let them be distracted by trying to see where you graduated from college or how many people are in your family or how old they are. Let them take the time where they're walking through to picture themselves in your home. The next thing you want to do is to get rid of any evidence of pets. And it's probably best when you have showings to take the pets somewhere else. If you have to, you can put them in a kennel, say in the basement. You don't want anybody to get bit or be afraid of pets either. You want to remove any of their water bowls or food dishes so that they're not out in the open. The next thing that you do, and this sounds a little funny, is you get rid of the evidence of kids. And I don't mean, not having a kids' room. I mean, don't have their toys laying out all over. Don't have too many things. And if you need to get a basket or something to put their toys in, or have something that you can just throw in a closet when you're going to have a showing. You want to clean up the front yard and your porches. Always make sure that you don't have pits in the driveway or the sidewalk, and that the sidewalk hasn't fallen, which is going to cause a trip hazard. The next thing is make sure the paint colors in your house are neutral. Purples, dark reds, dark blues, any unusual color is not the best. It may have gone beautifully with your furniture and you love the color, but remember, this is not going to be your home, and you need to make it fit for more sellers so that, or I'm sorry, more buyers so that they can bring in their items and it looks good. You might have to replace some of the fixtures in the home. You want them to be all of the same style. And what I mean is modern or traditional. If you have dark brass, keep it all the same. Uh, you might want to also change some faucets that don't look really good, particularly in the kitchen, and it will make a big difference. Provide some flowers or greenery. Fresh flowers are always the best. You may have to change those every couple of days or just use them for an open house. Or if you have some very nice artificial, you can use those, but make sure they're very high quality. You can provide aromatherapy. Don't go out and get a can of spray and go crazy with it. Something that's very lightly scented. You could have some candles going if somebody's going to be able to watch the flames and you're only going to be gone for a little while. Also, another thing that I do to help clients is I have a home sellers web class, and you can see it's at www.denvermetrosellsmart.com. These are going to be helpful tips for you. To me, education is the most important thing that I can give to a client. So thank you and good home selling.